Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a blog online using blogger.com. So obviously the first thing that you need to do is to get the website of blogger.com. Then I'm going to click to open my internet, and then on Google I can just type Blogspot. So when I type Blogspot to search for it, the results that I find as a search results from Google, I'm looking for blogger.com website. So the link that I find there is blogger.com. So when you are searching Blogspot on Google, just scroll down until you see the same link as I found it here, blogger.com. Then when I click to follow the link, it takes me to a website where I can create my own blog for free. But you must verify that it's from blogger.com. Then now I'm going to click create blog, create your blog. When I click that button, it needs me to log in using my email, because everything that I do on the blog, it will be saved in my Google Drive, so that I can later on come and edit the blog as I want to edit it, or upload or post anything on my blog. I'm going to log into my own email, or using my own email. When I log in, put in my password, it takes me straight to a space where I can actually create a new blog. So on the left hand side, as you see top left there, it's written create blog. So as I'm going to click create blog, it needs me to give my blog a name. So I'm going to give a title for my blog. If I'm creating a blog called, as an example, Middelburg Darts Club, then I click next, it will need me to create a website address, a web address that I can give to people so that they can visit my blog. So I can say Middelburg Darts Club. Remember, a website or a web address doesn't need to have any spaces, so there are no spaces as I'm typing address. I type it combined as this, so in full is going to read like Middelburg Darts Club.blogspot.com. So when I click save, it will actually create. Then I'm going to choose where I can edit and make changes on it. So I'm going to go on the left hand side. As you see here, I've got themes and I've got layout, and I can even manage the blog by going to settings. So up there on the top left corner, if I click there, you can see that I can create more than one blog. So I've got one, so I can create more if I need to do that. So for now, I'm going to edit this one that I have by going to themes, choosing any theme. It will apply to my website, and the blog will look attractive. So as I scroll down, you will see a theme has a name. So if you want a name called Soho has types of themes like Soho Light, Soho Dark as indicated, Soho Neon, or Imperio, and also other themes. They have their names there. So I'm going to take one which is Contempo Dark. When I choose Contempo Dark, you can see it opens there. Then I'm going to apply it to my theme. I click apply here. After applying it to my theme, it is actually done in the background where people are seeing my blog. Here I'm the one who's creating, so I don't actually see my blog until I can view the blog as it's written down there on the bottom left corner. You can see, but I'm not viewing it now because I'm still designing. So the other way to design it is by clicking layout here on the left, whereby you can even put anything on the blog that is needed, deciding on what do you want your blog to look like all over. So when you are actually going to create pages on the blog, you go and click pages on the left as I did now, and then you will see that I don't have pages currently. So I'm going to go and click new page there on the top left corner. Click new page. When I click it, it opens a new page where I can actually create things on this page. So I'm going to give my page a title and say home, and then I can create any content and welcome people to my page. Welcome to my home of darts. Then I can even make or edit anything that I type so that it looks attractive, changing the font size, making it larger. See, I can even move it to be at the center if I want, and then at the bottom I can even insert a picture here by going here there on the picture icon and clicking picture from upload from computer. It means I would have saved pictures on my computer and finding them there. If I can choose files from the computer and upload them there. So if I'm going to upload any picture that I want and choose it, it will actually come here to be as part of my images. When I choose it and click select, it will actually go to be on my page. So you can see that now you can enlarge the picture to look attractive, for your blog to look more attractive, and get more content, write more content. You can even put links to reference to other web pages and so on. So if you want to see how your page will look like to your clients or people who will see it, you can click preview here on the right hand corner, and then this is how my page will look like. So people will see this, they will see that it's created by me, I'm the owner of this blog, and they can even see the content that I put on this page. Okay. So if I want to go back to the designing of the page, it has opened a tab there on top where I can actually preview, but my work to edit this page is there on the other tab. So I can click the other tab, then I'm back to my work and do other content. So if I want to insert the second page, I have to publish this one. So you click there on the right hand side, top right, publish, you click, and then it will say publish page. This page will publish this page to your blog. So when you say confirm, it has actually published the page to be part of your blog. Then if you add another second page, you just go to add page again, new page. Then the new page will come, you do other things on the page, give it a title also. Maybe we call this about us, and then edit the page. Maybe you say contacts, maybe you type in your email there, and then if you are done, you will also publish this page and then confirm it, so it will also be part of your blog, right? So if you want to view your whole blog that you want to see how your clients will see, you go to the bottom left corner where it says view blog as indicated there, click view blog. It will actually open the blog the way in which people will see it as a whole. Okay. So if you want to print any page from the blog, you will have to go to where you are actually creating all these pages, open the page, click the page to open it, and then view or preview the page. So when you are previewing it, you want to print it out, you can go to the top right hand corner there, click and click print. So you will see that your page will print out like this to show that the page is called about us. Okay, and click print to print it out. So if you want to print the second page again, you go again to your blog where you are editing your blog, and then you will see your other pages there. You click to open the page, preview your page. When your page is previewed, then you go to the top right corner there and click print. So it will actually load it so that you print this, and then it will actually indicate that this page is a home page. Okay, right? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned from this tutorial.